Mums have spent endless stressful years working hard to look after us, putting meals on the table, clothes on our backs and money in the bank, all so we can be happy. Well, this Mother's Day is your opportunity to splash out with your own special gesture. A chance to create an oasis in her own backyard that she can feel proud of and relaxed in, where she can be looked after by a clever pool that does all the hard work for her. One complete with sparkling water, inviting conditions, pure tranquility and smooth surfaces. This Mother's Day, let Australia's leading pool and spa equipment specialists shape a place she'll forever love to be in, with those she loves the most. Get superior products from top brands at the best prices, all delivered with world-class service. Visit poolandspawarehouse.com.au and use the code MUM for 10% off store-wide, plus free shipping. Go on, splash out this Mother's Day.